do it. Last day of April. It was drying up. It rained last night. We had tornado warnings. The wind picked up. Rain. Typical April shit weather. Hopefully May's a little bit better. I was almost to the point that I could till the back here and till all their poops under, but it's gonna have to wait. Girls are eating. Spotty's eating as usual, right? Huh, Spotty? Something to say? Say hello. Look at you, hello. Yeah, you're dirty, huh? What you doing? Let's get a close up. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, yeah, you like that, huh? Huh? Spotty. Yeah, what? Hi, Hammy. What's the matter? Y'all done eating for right now? Huh? You take a nap? Going to work soon? Huh? How about you? Spotty, getting a job? Huh? Getting a job and make me a million? Huh? Make me some money? Talk? Say something? Hello? Hello. Alright, you guys have a good one. And hopefully the sun pop out. Gonna say goodbye, Ham? Ham? Hammy? No? Not gonna say nothing? She's too busy eating. Alright, you guys have a good one. Bye.